I invite you to fall in love with color all over again with my hot new coloring course, Vintage Valentine. I'll be with you every step of the way as we go from this gorgeous and dainty light grayscale illustration, conveniently delivered to you in soft sepia tones, to a vibrant and passionate masterpiece. You'll learn how to professionally color grayscale art, how to achieve a beautiful vintage feel, several ways to use mixed media techniques, all optional. You can absolutely complete this course with just colored pencils. And speaking of which, you will definitely up your colored pencil work after this project. I'll teach you color selection for just the right mood. I'll cover shading methods, blending techniques, and how to achieve amazing vibrancy. But these are just a few of the technical things that this course has in store for you. The real pleasure of a guided project like this is the journey itself. This project is an emotional vacation. We spend so much time feeling stressed and overworked and rushed. We overlook basic concepts such as love. Love for yourself, love for your art. I invite you to rediscover this love and in the process, create this stunning vintage piece that's good enough to hang on a wall or gift to someone special. Do this for yourself. Celebrate love and passion with Vintage Valentine.